How to use Omegle on iPhone in 2023. Hey guys, so in this video, I'm going to go ahead and guide you guys through on how you can go ahead and use Omegle on an iPhone in 2023. So with that being said guys, let's just go ahead and get right into the video. So we all know for a fact that when we go ahead and search up Omegle in the App Store, Omegle doesn't actually pop up. Now, there are a few alternatives here that are somewhat similar to Omegle, but it isn't actually Omegle. So let's just go ahead and teach you guys how you can go ahead and use Omegle on iPhone. So what you're going to want to go ahead and do is you're going to want to head over to Safari and make your way towards the search engine. Now go ahead, I want you guys to search up Omegle and basically go ahead and search that up. Now you guys can see that there is so many other Omegles, but the first one that comes up is the website you're going to want to be on, omegle.com. Now all you have to do is go ahead and click on Omegle, and you could pretty much just go ahead and start a chat here or go with a video chat. So make sure you guys are 18 or older when heading on this website. But with that being said guys, if you found this video extremely helpful, make sure you guys leave a like on the video guys, subscribe to the channel, and with that being said guys, I'll see you guys for the next video.